Alright, the new era of SMG4 is finally here. This is the first video since WotFi 2022 with the new designs, so... Alright. Okay, yep. And that's how that's why they need a new light bulb. Okay. How are you gonna fix it? Oh, that could work.
No, I'll fix it.
Alright. You got another one. Something's gonna go terribly wrong. Okay, SMG4. What's wrong? I like some of the expressions. I will say that.
God, I have a spare.
All right. Yeah, fuck you, Mario. What the SMG4 doing, though?
Just hold this totem. We can all go home.
Yeah, he doesn't trust Mario to hold it.
Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything.
True.
Please, just stand there and be useless.
Useless.
Oh.
Mario will show you useless. Okay, how is that? Wow. Yeah, and you wonder why people don't want your help.
So this is how I die.
Yep, exactly. Let me guess. Don't. Oh. Oh no. That ass! Oh no! I'm Brown. My name is Cleveland. You were so close to killing SMG4 there. Just meditate, yes. That's meditation for Mario. Mario 128. Rebirthed. Tranquility acquired. Oh, what the hell, Mario? Oh, it's actually Toad. He's just pissed. In the balls. Yep, I knew it. His penis. Yep. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. You're gonna have to kill Toad for that. Yep. Oh, how is he still able to hold on? Oh, I spoke too soon. Okay. Yeah, he deserves that.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
What the hell? I guess that works in the world of SMG4, or maybe not. Wing cap. Goes right through the...
I'm in danger.
Shoot it down.
Spider pig.
Spider pig. I don't think that's a light bulb. How many toads does it take to screw in a light bulb? Princess bitch. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. I knew Mario could do it. Are you gonna catch the whole thing on fire?
I gotta do it, man.
He's gonna do it, man. Yep. Hey, at least Peach died in the process, right? Oh, I guess not. She went full on JoJo.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you?
It's like a shrine or something. Toad's worshipping it.
Mario, doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh,
I guess not.
mamma mia.
Doesn't SMG4 already break the law of physics? Cameraman? Okay then.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Yeah, exactly. You just proved my point. SMG4 does this all the time.
Let's screw the damn light bulb in.
Oh, God. Come on, Mario. Just do it. I'm ready for a miracle. Mario putting in a fucking light bulb is a miracle. Come on, Mario. Just do it. He's gonna screw it up. The light bulb doesn't fit. It doesn't even fit. Wow. Okay, at least this time it's not Mario's fault. That we know of.
What? What do you mean it's not working? Just force it in.
That's not how that works, but okay. It's not gonna work.
Let there be light.
Yeah, okay. Is that Mario Odyssey? Okay.
Good evening.
And now we need Luigi. Come on, Luigi, where are you? I feel like they are gonna bring Luigi in for this. Is he still stuck in Walter White mode, though? I really hope not. As much as I love Breaking Bad, I think Luigi's had enough of that. He's gonna smack that ass.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Well, Mario's... Okay. We do a little trolling. They're filming it for their World Star. I knew it.
Superstar.
You guys call for a Ghostbuster? No, not not really.
We're so happy to see you.
Mario's not.
Replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi.
What's the answer? Oh, how convenient. Okay. I don't know how that would work in real life, but this is SMG4. That's what I'm saying. After all this waiting, it's finally time for... Okay. New Super Luigi Mansion 4. Cool. Well, that's not gonna work.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Okay, what if this actually... He got taken by a ghost. Luigi's Mansion 4 confirmed. That's how that happens.
Get that mother.
Okay, Mario, Maximum Zuck. Cool. I don't think you need to be worried, SMG4. Mario's got this. Apparently not. Fucking Cartman. Oh, Depresso. Why are you still a thing? You're so cursed. What the heck? What?
Oh,
Oh, now we're seeing his N64 model more. Just let him smack that booty, Mario. Or that.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what? Wait, why would you do that? What, why? Is he gonna be sexy? No, he's not. I thought it was gonna be like a ghost with a like a rockin' bod. Depresso's kind of an asshole for that. I'm pretty sure his name's Depresso. Did you get it? Okay. Nope, that didn't work. Something meant to happen.
No, this was meant to work. Come on.
Luigi lied to you. And you broke it. I'm warning ya.
Error.
Of course. Perfect timing. Of course. Of course.
Oh, yeah, mamma mia, tutto regalato.
Yeah, totally. Wait. Okay, it's Toad. I love how he says oi, because obviously this is Australian. I swear if that works.
Mario, I told you already. Toad won't work.
Come on, Toad. What? What? I guess Toad saved the day. Who would have thunk? Happily ever after, okay. Maybe not for Toad, but